Step into a world beyond books, into worlds. This September 13th and 14th from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Join us at Havelock City Mall for Inkverse, the Literature Fest. Experience the magic of creative writing, workshops, storytelling, a book fair, author meetups, panel discussions, poetry, puzzle making, and even manga art. And for young writers aged 12 to 16, unleash your imagination in the short story writing competition. With word counts between 700 to 1,000, amazing prizes and certificates await the winners. For short story writing competition submissions and more details, contact 077-918-0730. 2 days, endless stories, one unforgettable festival. Inkverse at Havelock City Mall, my happy place.